Welcome back to Bikezone channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Moto Guzzi V7, a bike that continues the legacy of Italian craftsmanship while integrating modern technology. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the Moto Guzzi brand, this model promises to impress. Design. The 2025 V7 maintains the classic aesthetic that Moto Guzzi is known for, blending retro charm with contemporary flair. Its iconic lines, paired with a more aggressive stance, make it visually striking. The new color options and updated graphics provide a fresh look without losing that timeless appeal. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2025 V7 features a revised 850cc engine, delivering increased torque and horsepower. This not only enhances acceleration but also improves overall riding experience. Coupled with a smoother gearbox and updated suspension, it offers a balance of power and comfort, perfect for both city commutes and weekend rides. In technology integration. One of the most exciting updates is the incorporation of modern tech. The 2025 model comes equipped with a TFT display, offering vital information at a glance. It also features rider aids like traction control and multiple riding modes, ensuring adaptability to various riding conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Rider comfort is a priority in the V7's design. The new seat design and adjustable handlebars cater to a range of rider heights, making it suitable for long journeys. Additionally, the improved riding position ensures a more relaxed experience, reducing fatigue on longer rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 is more than just a bike, it's a blend of tradition and innovation. With its stunning design, enhanced performance, and modern technology, it's a compelling choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on this iconic motorcycle in the comments below. Thanks for joining Bikezone.